I don't know where we ended up, but we're in the middle of a mountain right now. I think we got lost. So we are at Rock City Gardens. We had the morning for a massage where I got the awful cupping massage. So Rock City Gardens is kind of outside of Chattanooga. It's like $22 to get in. So far it's really pretty.
And we'll show you. It feels like an enchanted garden. It's gorgeous.
So I think we can say way better than the Atlanta Botanical Gardens.
Absolutely.
Definitely worth the money. I would check it out for sure. But we're in the middle of a mountain right now, and
it's like this trippy fairy tale type.
I think we got lost. So we just left Rock City Gardens, and there's definitely one word that we agreed on that describes it, and it was...
Enchanted!
Oh, I've never used that word to describe something, but it's definitely enchanted.
Well, you gotta tell what was enchanting about
all the gnomes! I think you'll see all the gnomes that we just filmed.
Oh, yeah.
Stop filming them.
And not only that, it was just like casually in the middle of a rock, like a whole fairy tale land.
Very weird.
It was very strange, but very cool at the same time.
I'd recommend it.
And we're on our way to sushi.
In Chattanooga, Tennessee.
Yep.
So I've had this thing, Heather's been wanting sushi since we got here, and I said absolutely not, because why would you get, where are you going to get fresh seafood in the middle of the mountains? Or I guess her masseuse earlier today, she asked what her favorite restaurant was, and it was a sushi place. So.
And now we're heading there. What is it? Takado
sushi. So we'll see. I might put my foot in my mouth. I might be completely wrong. So.
Or you might be completely right. We'll figure it out. Say it. Say it. Say
I'm
it.
sorry.
Say it. No,
don't
be sorry. Heather's right.
That was actually really good.
You know what? It could have been hit or miss, and it was definitely hit.
was chunkies. We thought it was chubbies.
I'm like, no. It's
And then we agreed that it was chunkies, and then we found out it's clumpies. So, all right.
And you got the whiskey. Wait, it was
Whiskey, cornflake, vanilla, caramel
it's
crunch.
crazy. I did
And
chocolate, and hot
chocolate,
fudge.
chocolate. Holy cow, look at all these birds. It's crazy.
Holy what is going on?
I don't know if this is a normal thing in Chattanooga, but there is
cool.
Attack of the Birds!
There's another pack. It was maybe the start of the apocalypse.
I think the show's over. I don't know what the hell that was.
I have to Google so much right now. That was crazy.
I think they're sparrows, but I have no idea.
But there's not one bird in the sky at all.
Yeah,
right now.
every single one of those birds is now in those trees.
Just
I almost parked right there. And that concludes the evening. So we just learned it wasn't sparrows, it was starlings. And a flock is called
a murmuration.
a murmuration.
And it's a starlings flying together in a whirling, ever-changing pattern.
So there you have it. You're a non-murmuration of, what were they?
Starlings.
Starlings.
Oh my god.
And that concludes the evening. Okay, last update. They could be chimney swifts,
Or swallows.
swallows, or starlings. I think those we've narrowed it down. Or probably another one. If you know what the hell kind of bird that was, please let us know. All right, that's it. So it's going to be one of those three birds or whatever you tell me it is. Okay, bye.